Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to learn the basics of quadratic equation. This is the standard form we have. If you are to look at the right-hand side of the quadratic equation in standard form, it must always be equal to 0. And on the left, I have labeled A, B, and C for you. And let's talk about A. A is the leading coefficient, the multiplier that is attached to x squared, while B is the coefficient attached to x to the power of 1, the linear term. And C is the constant of the quadratic equation. Let's determine the A, B, and C for these three quadratic equations. Let's look at the first example. I have labeled A, B, and C done for you. And you know that you have 0 on the right-hand side of the equation. That is great. So we are to label A as 2 and B as -4, while C is the constant as 3. Moving on, we are to look at the second example. And you should see that there are only two terms altogether. That means one of the term is 0. And this is in standard form, so we can start to determine A, B, and C. Your A is -3. Remember, you are to attach the minus sign with the number. So A is -3, B is -7, and you see that there is no number. So C, the constant term, is 0. The last, if you are to look at this quadratic equation here, you should see that this is not in standard form, where the right-hand side is a 3. We are to convert that to 0. We are to -3 on both sides of the equation. On the left-hand side, x squared, -4, -3, they are both numbers, so -7 altogether. And on the right, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. We now can label A, B, and C because on the right is a 0. So A is equal to 1 and invisible 1, and B is 0. There is no x, so B is 0. We have C. C is -7. You have the number. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.